Advanced chat and voice AI with seamless enterprise integration. Nexus Voice AI is an advanced chat and voice AI solution designed to seamlessly integrate with large-scale enterprise databases and applications. This platform features both web-based and voice assistant capabilities, helping organizations streamline their data processing workflows. Key features: big data processing support. Nexus Voice AI can handle complex data structures such as large datasets and financial reports. Directly connects to SQL databases to execute large-scale data queries. Speeds up reporting and data analysis processes with high-performance analytics capabilities. Advanced enterprise integration. Compatible with popular ERP and CRM platforms such as SAP, Oracle, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and Workday. Provides access to enterprise systems via APIs and direct database connections. Natural language processing, NLP, and speech recognition. Integrates with LLM, large language model platforms like OpenAI and Grok. Utilizes advanced AI algorithms to understand user questions and generate accurate responses. Scalable and modular architecture. Built to scale with enterprise growth. Supports customizable modules to meet specific needs. Security and compliance. Ensures secure data transmission following industry standards. Fully compliant with data protection regulations such as GDPR and KVKK. Use cases. Customer service automation. Reduces operational workload by automatically responding to frequently asked questions. Enhances call center performance with IVR integrations. Financial analysis and reporting. Executes SQL queries on complex financial tables for fast data analysis. Automates reporting tasks and strengthens decision support systems. Content management and information sharing. Extracts information from documents, emails, and content management systems to deliver up-to-date insights. Enables employees to quickly access the data they need. Technical specifications. Language model support. Supports OpenAI GPT-4 and Grok. Multilingual support and advanced language processing capabilities. Database integration. Direct connections to popular databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. Interface support. Web interface built on Streamlit. Voice command support and text-to-speech TTS integration. Security protocols. SSL/TLS encryption. Authorization support with OAuth 2.0 and JWT. Summary: Nexus Voice AI is optimized for advanced data analysis and customer interaction in large-scale enterprise systems. With advanced SQL integration and versatile language processing capabilities, it accelerates and secures financial reporting, customer service, and data management processes. Request a demo. Contact us to explore the capabilities of Nexus Voice AI and see how AssistFlow.ai works in action.